Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't know how to communicate with the employer, no point of coming here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you feel unwell or if you think that something inside your body, better maybe stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time. Yeah?
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
To sustain my family needs,
Why
ma'am.
you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? They got higher salary than here in Malaysia.
To have an experience in
What?
Malaysia.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Manilin Carvajal Aramdi. I'm 32 years old. I'm single with live-in partner now. I'm college undergrad, ma'am. Took the of Bachelor of BEd, ma'am. Elementary education.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you first, Manilyn. When is your birthday?
November 24, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2", my weight is 54.
64 or 54?
54, ma'am.
54.
5'4".
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
2,
How old are those children?
7, and 4.
Is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
old is the live-in partner and what is his occupation?
32, sales associate, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother and father.
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
66 and 67, ma'am. Farmers, ma'am and father.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm third, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a 2 years contract, yeah? You know that working as a
Yes.
domestic helper is quite tough. This is not an easy job. There is no easy
Yes.
money here also and you need to work harder for it. Okay? According for you to have your salary, you need to work harder for it. But I would like to ask you, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Houses here is quite big. No joke.
Yes,
You need
ma'am.
to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so according to your profile, or do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
In which
Here in P.
part of the Philippines?
Antipolo, ma'am.
Is it stay-in maid?
Stay in, ma'am.
Are you sure? Maybe you're just
Yes.
making this as a working experience so that you can come here. You're not lying.
No, yes, ma'am.
How many years you work in Antipolo as a stay-in maid?
Way back 2022 to 2025, ma'am. Finish contract, ma'am.
So you worked there for 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in Antipolo?
Taking care of 2 children, taking care of feed, washing, clothes, ironing, and cleaning.
How many children you take care?
2,
How old are those children?
8 and 5.
What kind of pet did you take care?
Cat,
How
ma'am.
many cats?
2,
2 cats. Okay, what month in 2022 and what year in 2025 you started and you ended?
April and June 2025, ma'am.
Okay. April started and April 2022 to June 2025.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? Yes. Later you come here,
Yes,
ma'am. Why I need to do all these things? I need to take care an elderly also. I need to take care of children while doing house chores also. So this is the reality of working as a this is the reality of a domestic helper. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. I don't want that you keep on complaining until the quality of our Filipino is very bad. I don't want that one, ate. Okay? So
yes,
don't
ma'am.
say yes, yes, yes until you come here, you don't want to do already. Okay? No such a thing.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you take your children or baby or children? Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes,
What variety of cuisine you can prepare if you know how to cook?
chicken adobo and pork adobo, ma'am.
Chicken adobo, but you are really willing to learn some new recipes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets? Okay, as I have mentioned, this is a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of
Yes, ma'am.
contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes,
And if you are aware that usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
yes,
We
ma'am.
don't force people to come here. Many times I have told already that we don't force people to come here. It's you are the one who come and work here, okay? So if you
Yes, ma'am.
agree, it's okay. You can come work properly. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Being a first timer, mostly or frequently, homesickness will attack you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna handle it later?
I'm just focusing my duties and responsibilities of household works, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. You wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time and for yourself. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. But we need to humble ourselves if we are working quite far away to our own motherland, right? In other countries, we need to be humble. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Manilyn. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Ma'am,
Thank
thank
you
you
so
so
much
much.
and have a good day.